Now today's session is all about the differences between a mobile website and a mobile apps. What is a mobile website? Mobile website contain browser-based link pages accessed over the internet. It is a website designed for devices with a smaller screens. It can display text content, data, images, and video like a normal website. It can access mobile specific features like click to call and mapping. What are mobile apps? These are application download on a mobile device. Apps do not need any browser support. Mobile user can visit app stores to download these apps. These apps pull the data from the web servers for the local display. Now, as you know, there are different kind of devices, different type of OS, such as iOS, Android. So these have specifically different stores for purchasing the apps, such as iOS has App Store, Android has Android Market. So from these stores, various apps of the respective OS can be downloaded. Now, there might be a question that when should we go for an app and when should we go for a mobile website? Now, if UI is complex, then mobile apps is the right choice. Because as you know that in case of mobile website, you cannot show that much kind of UI very smoothly. In case of complex UI, JavaScript, HTML are not designed to handle that much of complex UI. And if your information has to reach wider audience across various mobile devices at lower cost, then mobile website is definitely a choice. Now for mobile apps, you have to target each OS differently. You have to build separate code for each mobile platform. Now if you want to cover every platform at one time, then mobile website is the right choice for you. Now, advantages of mobile website. First of all, it has got a low development cost because only one code will run across various devices. In case of mobile app, you have to build several codes for different platforms. So it will increase the maintainability, it will increase the development cost. So of course, mobile website has got lower development cost. Existing development technologies including HTML, CSS to JavaScript remains the same. So existing technology which you are using in the normal website will remain the same, whereas in case of mobile app, you have to learn different technologies to build the app. Now, mobile website is very easy to develop and publish. Now, it is very easy and it's very easy to develop and publish it. There is no approval process as such. In case of you make an app, there might be some OS which restrict the approval process, such as iOS. Now, browsers are inbuilt in smartphones. Their compatibility is not an issue. So browsers are inbuilt in smart browsers, so smartphones. So whether it be any OS, whether it be BlackBerry, whether it be iOS, whether it be Android, now mobile website will support every phone. Now same source code is applicable for all platforms since it is based on cross-platform technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. It is applicable to all platforms, to run on all platforms independent of the OS. Now, what are the disadvantages of a mobile app? If you discuss of the disadvantages of a mobile app, then you have to learn separate language for developing app for different platforms. Now, publishing app is not instant support, need approval from the app stores. As I told you that iOS has got its own approval process. In case of Bala, there is a separate procedure for it. Now, source code is native for each platform. I told you that you have to code for each platform very separately. So the code base will be different for all platforms, and it will be it's quite a big challenge to maintain up that code. And what are the advantages of mobile app? Now, app is preferable for complex calculation involving local resources. Now there might be complex resources, complex calculation in which you have to fetch the data from the server, that kind of thing, and you have to support various device capabilities such as camera, or you have to make use of camera in your application, or you have to make use of contacts in your application. In that case, mobile apps is a solution because they can provide the access to different hardware as well as the OS specific features. Mobile apps can run without an internet connection. Now this is a feature of the mobile app. It does have separate database, which is SQLite database, in which you can store the data, or you can for working in offline mode. So that is one of the good part of mobile app. So that's all about the differences between a mobile app and a mobile website. Thank you for listening.